In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart easily in PowerPoint. Whether you're managing a project or on a tight timeline, Gantt charts are a fantastic way to visualize your tasks and important deadlines. Let's walk through the process step by step to help you create a Gantt chart efficiently in PowerPoint. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. You may be starting from scratch or working from an existing presentation. Go ahead and open the presentation you're working on, or simply start a new one if you prefer. As soon as you have your presentation open, you'll want to navigate to the Home tab. The interface in PowerPoint is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to find all your tools and features right from this tab. Now, let's focus on adding the components of our Gantt chart using an add-in. Click on Add-ins, which is conveniently located on the ribbon. This feature allows you to extend PowerPoint's capabilities by adding specialized tools, such as those for project management, that aren't included by default. Once you are in the Add-ins menu, type Gantt into the search bar. This will bring up several options related to Gantt charts. You should see a tool called Project Plan displayed in the results. This is the tool we want to use for our Gantt chart. With Project Plan visible, go ahead and click on it to select it. Then you'll see an option to add the tool to your PowerPoint. Clicking Add will integrate it directly into your presentation, allowing you to start creating your Gantt chart right away. Now that the add-in has been successfully added, you're ready to begin editing your Gantt chart. You'll notice various options to input your project data, such as tasks, durations, and start dates. This data is crucial for creating a comprehensive timeline of your project. Review your project tasks and timelines carefully and enter them into the chart, making sure everything is accurate and comprehensive. You can adjust the taskbars for dates and durations to fit your project's specific needs. Working with Gantt charts in PowerPoint is all about flexibility and ensuring your project plan is clear and concise. Whether you're presenting to a team or organizing your thoughts, having this visual timeline is invaluable. Remember that you can return to this chart anytime to update or change your project information as needed, and there you have it, a simple and efficient way to create a Gantt chart in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Happy charting!